Fries, some of your chips are looking a little swollen.
Swollen? Is that your new slang term for overweight?
No.
OMG, Bubble is like looking so swollen these days.
It's just that 2 of them look yellowed and bulbous, and I think they're even wiggling.
Oh, Gelatin, you're making me mad.
But I'm hungry, though.
Well, then go eat someone else's innards.
Hi, Barf Bag.
Oh, hey, Gelatin, what's up?
Tick. Tock. Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Huh? What's that? If I'm not mistaken, that means it's time for cake and steak! Better name than that. You guys are trapped on the moon, so I'll have to communicate with you through TV.
Works for me.
TV, promise not to fudge the results.
You know the drill. I, Bagel Brain, will be your host.
You're actually using my nickname?
Hey, shut up! It's a habit! Stop laughing! It's not that funny! Well, if you're not gonna stop, I'll grab your lips and make you stop!
Donut, how are you touching Lollipop's lips if you're on Earth?
Oh, it's a new feature of my new camera! In addition to light, it also transmits matter, like my arms!
Hold on, Donut. You mean you've been able to move things between Earth and the moon all this time?
Yeah, so?
Well, then get us back down now! Yeah!
Oh, yeah, I can't do that, because it only goes one way.
What's that? One way, you say? Your hands are on the moon side now, so they're trapped, are they not?
Dang it! You're right! Well, it's kind of awkward holding this position, so, Lollipoop, you give me no choice.
I'm sorry, but I'm afraid I can't tell what you mean. Also, don't call me Lollipoop.
I mean, there's only one way to unite both sides of this world, and this is how!
What does that pastry think it's doing?
Okay, get in there, boy! Get to yellow face!
Oh dear, I think Donut's making this problem even worse.
Oh yeah! Everybody's going through! Done! You guys wanted to get back to Earth? It's right here! Now let's actually do cake at steak! Better namers! The one of you with the most votes is going to be eliminated! Also, you don't have to sit so far! Gracie, I think you went a little overboard!
So this is how we're gonna be doing cake at steak?
Whatever.
22,238 votes this time! Tennis ball is safe!
Don't I get a prize for being safe?
Oh yeah! You got fiery squeaker box! Chopped up into 7 pieces!
Donut, how can you do this to my baby?
Hey, it's just tit for tat! Also safe as Blocky! Toothpick! Wrestling! And basketball! Roll the flower!
Yeah?
If I remember correctly, you broke the signal! You're not supposed to do that!
But there was an explosive!
Yeah, an explosion of votes for you! 3,105! Now it's time to golf ball and baseball! You both got over 4,000 votes!
Oh dear, I really hope you don't leave us, team leader!
Don't worry, basketball. I will try my hardest to remain on the team too. Hey, shush, she's talking to me. Whatever. It'll be so much easier when you're gone.
Quiet! Time for the vote reveal! How's it gonna be? No one knows! Well, actually, I do! Golf ball's safe! That ball's out! How's it feel, 8-Ball, to be eliminated on the 8th episode? Your favorite number?
Donut, I told you, I don't have a...
Gravity's back on.
Ooh, maybe I shouldn't have inhaled those fumes!
Contest time! It's a quiz show! Each team's got a buzzer. Buzz in when you know the answer. Get one question right, and your team's safe from elimination. Question 1.
Okay, Bubble, you're great at mental contests.
She's so dumb that she doesn't know how to count to 3.
You got this.
Ooba wooba grooba schmooba?
Frooba drooba!
Correct! Death Pact is safe.
Huh?
Bubble, did you seriously not know the answer was Fruba Dwooba?
Yeah, what the flake was that?
I didn't know the answer was.
Jeez, this is unacceptable. Try harder, Bob, or else your membership is in danger.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Question 2. Quiggy Biggy! Floop Floop! Bubble!
Zop Zap.
Huh?
That's such a silly answer, Zap Zap.
Yeah, Bubble, that's wrong.
Bubble! You are such a disappointment. You are not even worthy of membership status. You are hereby demoted to merely a BEMB.
No!
Stampy, you know the answer to this one! Why aren't you buzzing in?
I'm busy. Just give me a sec.
Clug Clug Horg Borg? Yes.
Stampy, you made us lose that point! Are you happy about that?
I'm trying. What I'm doing now will help us. Just you wait and see.
Barfbag, I've been trying to give you pieces of cake. Why aren't you answering for us?
Sorry, my reflexes are too slow.
It's the barf molecules.
Shut it, lollipop.
Question 3. What is snow plus gasoline?
Oh, I don't
Come on.
think I actually know that one.
Come on.
Oh, this one's easy. It's glue. 8.
That's wrong.
Huh? What the heck did my lips just do? I meant to say glue.
It's okay. Everybody's tongue slips up occasionally.
What could it be?
This one's supposed to be easy.
Oh, I know the answer's glue, but I'm too scared to buzz in without Loser to support me.
Same.
Team, Loser may be gone, but we're still just as strong of a team as before. You know that surge of energy you'd feel every time Loser encouraged you? Well, where did that energy come from? Sure, Loser helped push the energy along, but ultimately, the energy came from within you.
Pin's right, you know.
Which means you've still got it. So, Cake, push that buzzer.
Yeah! Oh, no, I can't. I just can't.
Cake, just do it.
Yeah! Glue.
Correct. Yeah! Seriously, Barfbag? I'm not gonna take this any longer. Question 4. What do I see when I look at my teammates? Which I said in a speech that only my team heard. But when I look at my teammates, I see hope, I see strength, I see ingenuity. Fiery Junior, there's no one quite like you.
8.
Debatably correct, but no.
Maybe the fumes are getting to you after all.
Hope, strength, ingenuity, and no one being quite like Fiery Junior.
I'm sensing the teeniest bit of, what is that? Bias, perhaps?
Okay, question 5. What's 1 plus 1? 8! Wrong! Oh, I've been forgetting to do this, but as a host, I should punish you for getting these wrong. No effect?
Donut, that's just an audio recording of 4, not the real deal. So of course there's no effect.
Oh, no effect? Let me try it.
2.
Correct. Question 6. What's the past tense of eat?
8.
Wrong. Oh, that's actually correct. And with that, the teams still in danger are Iance and Free Food. Final question. What's my favorite season?
Winter.
No.
Darn, I got it wrong.
Oh, I know this one. Summer. Hello? Summer!
I've got all the information I need.
Yes, Steepy?
Summer.
Correct. So, Free Food safe, and Iance is up for elimination.
Oh, I finally get it. Good job.
Vote in the comments using the letter and square brackets under who deserves.
No.
Matt, you just gotta accept the outcome, even if you don't like it.
Here's the footage.
Oh, gee, I guess you're right. Then Free Food is up for elimination.
See what Matt wants, Matt is gonna get.